In this video we will learn about index method. So this index method returns the index of the specified element in the list. So it takes three parameters and end. So these three are the parameters. So element to be searched, start and end index. So first we will learn about we'll see the index of specific element. So let's make a vowel and I am going to store in vowels variable a list of vowels A, E, I, O and U. So this is our list of vowels. So I am going to make another variable, let's say index, okay, and we'll call vowels dot index, and then the element to be searched is, let's take I, and now we'll print the index. So let's see the output. So you can see here it is giving the output as 2 because the index of I is 2. So similarly we can search other elements also. Let me put like this. Let me take the element as P because P is not there. So let's see the output. So it is saying P is not in the list. So it is giving the value error. So let me add P also, otherwise it will give error again and again. So you can see it is now giving the output as 0. So let's see another type of just like the parameter start and end. So let's make a variable alphabets and let me add some more here. Let's check A. So A is always there. So let's check U. U is also there. So T and G, H and J. So we have added some new elements to the list, and let me change here alpha bets. So let's see the index of I, and let's put the start index as 4, but you can see here the element is at second index, so it is giving the error, it is not in the list. So if I change it to the, let's take the start index as 1, so you will see the output as 2.